Good morning, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn. For those of you who just started this video, you may be thinking to yourself, I've probably heard this before. But I'm going to tell you right now, you're going to listen till the end. I'm titling this, Blood, Sweat, and Tears. For those of you who know me, you know a lot of my story. For those of you who don't, you're going to learn a little bit of it right now. Saturday morning, Phoenix, Arizona. I just got done working out. I'm titling this Blood, Sweat, and Tears because we're coming up on 4 years since CSI Financial Group was formed. I've been in the independent distribution space, what a lot of people know as IMO, FMO space, for close to 15 years now. And I want to share a little bit of my story and a little bit of the things that you entrepreneurs out there can appreciate and understand. Here I am, sweating. Worked out so hard this morning, busted my lip. Got me thinking about blood, the sweat, the tears that have happened getting into this difficult space. I've had a lot of fortunate mentors along the way. I've had a lot of great networking opportunities. This is about the why we do what we do. I started my company because I believed in my why. I believed in the opportunity. I believed that I had the ability to connect with people. And in turn, those people that I connect to, the advisors, the producers, the agents, all of those names that you've come to be known as, I realized I could connect with them. And then they, in turn, could connect with their clients. Their why, share their why. Share the reasons why they've been in the business 10, 20, 30, 50 years because they believe in what they do, just like I do. My why is my family, the things I want to be able to accomplish, the things I want to be able to give. Here's my why, a little my why behind me, my wall here of my family that I dearly love. And so many of you watching right now, you have the same exact why. Well, I want to share with you today the reason why I'm telling you in the very beginning of this video that you want to stick around. Since I first got in this space so many years ago, I quickly realized that we need to be able to give our clients something that they could in turn and by extension give to their clients. So whenever I formed CSI Financial Group, I had this idea in the back of my head that I had to create something. I had to give something. I had to think differently so that I could differentiate myself so that my advisors and producers and agents, IARs, RIAs, could then in turn differentiate themselves in their respective communities so that their end user could actually have something other than just a sale. I love working with advisors, and I call them advisors, and at CSI Financial Group, we call them advisor partners because we partner together to be able to ultimately help the end user. Now, one of the main differentiating factors for CSI Financial Group and me as a principal, the principal, is that I've been in the field. I spent my 2 years out there grinding, learning, understanding, appreciating what it is that you go through on a daily, weekly, monthly, yearly, decade basis. So I know what it takes. I know it's difficult. I know it's the only way that you can be able to be paid. And as someone who I appreciate and watch a lot, Duncan McPherson says, we are in the knowledge for profit business. It's an intangible. We're trying to sell the promise of the future. It's complicated, it's difficult. But at the end of the day, our why, what we do, it's not for the compensation, it's because we believe in what it is that we are doing. And I want to share with you today that I believe in what it is that I'm doing. And for the last 3.5 years, close to 4 now, I have been trying to find through the network of people that I have been exposed to for a long amount of time in the 15, 20, 25, 30 years of just being around, but mainly in the financial services arena, I have been able to coalesce and put together the most comprehensive package that's ever been created. And I'm willing to put my money where my mouth is. For those who want to be part of something, build something, to create something, to differentiate yourselves out there by truly helping your end user, the clients that desperately need your help. When you call our offices and you ask for Carter Wilcoxon and we have a discussion, I'll give you $100 right now that says that what I have to share with you, you've never heard before. You've never seen before. I will additionally give you $1,000 if you say that you've heard it and can prove it. That's how sure I am of this. What I have created and put together are strategic alignments that have come together is really nothing short of a miracle. But I know that it does not exist. And I know because I've been searching. If it existed, I could just get on Google and find it right now. But guess what? It's not there. So call our offices. I appreciate the time that you spent listening to me today. I wanted to pour out my blood, my sweat, my tears, my passion, my care, my sincere appreciation for what it is that you do out there grinding every single day. We know and we understand it. And we're looking for those who want to partner with something and be on the ground floor of a disruptive opportunity. So call our offices. Call, ask for Carter Wilcoxon. Any of our staff can be able to help. I'd like to talk to you personally. Phone number 888-316-6040. In fact, I'll give you something that no other IMO will do, almost without exception. My cell phone number, 602-690-5952. It's Saturday morning. I'm working. I'll be working tomorrow. I'll be working tonight. Never stop grinding. We always keep trying to help. Thank you all for listening today. Have a blessed weekend, and we'll talk to you soon.